Hello everyone, please welcome and join me Easy Steps Cooking. Today I'm going to share with you honey roasted garbanzo beans, chitte chole, and it's very easy and quick to make. It's going to be very tasty and very delicious, and it will be oilless, oil-free cooking, and I'm going to make it in air fryer. The chickpeas, I'm going to open it. You can open with the hand, you can always take advantage of the machine. It's really easy and fast to do it if you have the machine. Otherwise, you always can open it with the hand as I have shown to you. I'm going to drain the water and I'm going to wash it with the cold water. So we have a 2 cup garbanzo beans, chitte chole, mango powder, which is amchur powder, black pepper, salt to taste. I'm using half teaspoon each, and parsley flakes 1 teaspoon, 2 tablespoons honey, and let's get started. Get a mixing bowl and we're going to bring all the dry ingredients: amchur powder, black pepper, salt, parsley flake. Mix the spices. 2 tablespoons honey. 1, 2, mix it with the spices. Once it's nicely combined, we're going to bring garbanzos and we're going to mix them well. Keep mixing. Once it's nicely combined, I'm going to let it sit for 5 minutes, then I'm going to mix it again. The garbanzo beans rested for 5 minutes and we're going to mix it again. I'll open the air fryer and we're going to place it in. Spread it evenly and we're going to put it inside and we're going to cook it for 10 minutes at 400° Fahrenheit. The time will be 10 minutes and we're going to let it cook for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, I'm going to open it, shake them once, then we'll put it back again for 5 minutes. Cooking for 5 minutes, I'm going to open it and I'm going to shake it and I'm going to put it back again. And it will start for another 5 minutes. Come back once it's done. 1 more minute and we're almost done. Now we're going to wait for the final beat before we open it. All looking so good. And I'm going to dish out and I'm going to share with you our quick and easy honey roasted garbanzo beans. It's very easy and very tasty, very delicious recipe. Please try it and you're going to like it. If you like this recipe, please like, share and subscribe Easy Steps Cooking. Thank you and have a good day. Bye-bye.